Okay, 3.10 was along in the following code, so score is 50. So let's look at the first condition. Okay, score is greater than 60. No, so we are looking at the else. Okay, then here 50 greater than equal to 70. No, we are going to be here. 50 greater than or equal to 80. No. So 50 greater than or equal to 90. No, so it's going to print F. Seems like okay. Let's look at another one. Let's say 90. Okay. 90 greater than equal to 60. Then you will say T. Okay. You say T, but we expect to have what? Here. Okay. 90 greater than or equal to 90.0. So it's supposed to print A, but we end up with a D. Okay. So the main issue here, when you write if-else statement, that's the if-else statement. Okay. Conditions you like to compare, you should do it in order. Okay. Ascending order, small numbers to bigger number, or big numbers to smaller number, descending order. Okay. So in this case, if you want to keep the F, normally people say A, B, C, D. So let's say here we like to keep A, B, and then C, and then D, F. Okay, in terms of grade. So it changed according to 90, 80, 70, here, 60, otherwise D, after that D, and then we have F. So that case, we can evaluate population here, 90 greater than or equal to 90, that's A, that's a false statement, so we don't have to worry about it. It seems a bit more complicated, then you can add curly brackets to make it clear, okay? This else match with the if statement, so you can add other curly brackets. Continue do so, okay? And then here, then else, that's the last one, okay? That's why it's less confusing, okay? Try to remember either you put condition according to ascending or descending order. I put it as descending order in terms of the score, okay? Okay, 90, 80, 70, 60, less than 60 we'll consider as a F. Let's see what happens. Okay, now it's A. You can check with, let's say 75, okay? We are expecting 75. So we are going to have C, okay? Now we have a C, okay? Let's look at less than 50, let's say 45. We end up with F or not. Yes, it's F. Okay, it works. That's all. Thank you.